What, baby?
Crunch.
Crunch?
No more.
You want Captain Crunch? You do? I thought you were going to come on the porch. You want some Captain Crunch?
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
The cookies.
What, honey?
The cookies.
There's cookies? Do you want one? Can you say more, please? More, please. Here you go. One cookie? You wash your hands. Do you want a cookie?
Have a bite.
You want to have a bite? Hannah, what's this on the cookie? What is that?
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Is it delicious?
Have a bite.
He wasn't actually in that one.
Who wasn't?
Walmart wasn't actually in that one.
He was at the end.
That was a memory.
Hannah, is that delicious?
Delicious.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you bought your cookie. Hannah, where's your daddy? Where? Is that your daddy? What's that?
Numbers.
Numbers? You want to look at the numbers?
Pumpkin.
Is there a pumpkin? That's all you wanted to do was touch the pumpkin? Hannah, can you count? 1, 2,
Kit Kat.
1.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Meow.
Meow. I love you.
And Crunch.
You want Captain Crunch? Okay.
No.
Okay, Mama get you some. Are you excited? You want this?
Crunch.
Captain Crunch?
No. No.
No. Did Mommy make a mess? Here you go.
Crunch.
Captain Crunch? Is that good?